The third requirement is to calculate the internal rate of return. And again, we have to do it for product A and product B. So we're going to look at the investment required for A is $170,000. Their annual net cash inflows are $60,000. So when you divide the two, the factor used for the internal rate of return would be 2.833. So what we have to do is go, because it's $60,000 each year for 5 years, we go to the second table, the present value of an annuity, and we would look across, because it's 5 years, we would go across the 5-period row, we would scroll across the 5-period row until we get to a place where we know that the factor for the internal rate of return is close to 2.833. And we will find that in the 22% column, and that would be 2.864. Now 2.864 is very close to the 2.833, so the rate of return would be just a little over 22%. For product B, we would take the $380,000 investment. The cash flows for each of the 5 years is 130, so the factor we would be looking for product B would be 2.923. Again, we would go over the fifth row, we would scroll over and to see where the 2.923 falls, and we can see that it is around the 21% rate, which is 2.926. So the actual rate of return there is 21%. And when we were calculating the net present value for each, I did note in each, for both products A and B, the discount factor for the company is 16%. However, when you compared the investment to the actual inflows, the inflows exceeded the investment, so we knew that it had to be more than 16% for each product A and product B.